Here we have the most chicken nuggets eaten in 1 minute. 352 grams. That doesn't sound like a lot.
World record? Is it just that bowl?
Wait, 300 guys, 350 grams? That sounds like nothing, no?
It's also the video's not a minute, so I'm not buying it.
What's going on here, Will?
I'm not too sure. I thought it was 352 nuggets. I guess I read that wrong.
Let me see. I want to see the pace here, and then I'll decide what the hell's going on.
And she won an award?
Guinness World Record. Oh, it's not a minute because they sped up portions of it.
Right, okay.
Okay, never mind.
Is anyone counting?
No.
Emotional. Yeah, I think there's people on YouTube who
beat
eat
this
a little faster now. But isn't it weird with the Guinness? They have to show up. You have to hire them to show up to document it.
Right.
Or do you? Could somebody else on YouTube beat this? Send them the video. No, they have to be there.
They have to be there.
They have to be
need an
there.
official there.
So, it's tough, right?
Well, they uploaded it, so it seems like they were there.
But what is 352? Can someone tell me what 352 grams is?
If it's like...
How much is one nugget? Like this has got... That part of it has to be wrong, right?
I think it's...
That's wrong.
I feel like it's wrong.
What is the weight of one nugget?
McDonald's 10 nuggets contain... Oh, this is like...
Okay. 17 grams. Oh, wait. 16 grams. All right. Never mind.
So...
I guess it's a lot, but in a minute... Maybe a minute seems longer than it is. Maybe that goes fast. Mo, I feel like you can beat this record.
Yeah? Let me see how many nuggets it is.
Mo, I feel like on tomorrow's show, you beat this record.
10 nuggets. So she ate 20 nuggets in a minute.
Around 20, I guess?
Mo, you can beat this record.
No, I can't.
Yeah, you can, Mo!
I thought about 20 nuggets, and 20 nuggets is hard. I've ordered 20 nuggets before, and it hasn't been a 1 minute meal.
No.
Well, why didn't they say that? Just be
Yeah.
like 20 nuggets. Like 352 grams. It's like, what?
Are you mad at the metric system right now?
Terrible.
So am I. Just don't get Kirk involved.
Right.
No, listen.
But either way, like, why is this a record? I feel like Matt Stoney or something can.
Well, that's what
totally
that's what the
destroy
top
this
comment said, is that this is easy to destroy. I don't know, man. I don't know anything. Although one thing I know is that Mo can eat 20 nuggets in a minute.
You really think so?
Yeah, man. For the world record.
For the world record, I'll try. I'll give it a shot.
Would you want one dipping sauce?
Play it again. I just want to see the pace before they speed it up.
Well, there's a lot of drinking going on too.
Well, people are saying that the drinking is kind of against the rules, but if she did it, I think you're allowed.
Without drinking would be tough.
No, we need to see it without them speeding it up. I just want to see the pace. Bang, bang, bang.
She's swallowing them.
Well, yeah.
No, she's barely chewing some of them.
Yeah, Matt should definitely beat this record. Should call him out.
We don't even need him. Mo's going to beat this record.
I'm not going to beat this record, dude.
Or Mo, yeah.
Mo's going to beat this record tomorrow. We're going to get him 20 nuggets, and he's going to beat this record. He's going to be the new world record holder.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. For real, though, if you really had to, don't you think you could do this?
20 in a minute?
I mean, this girl just did it.
Yeah, and I'm sure she, is good at doing whatever this is.
How much training would you need to eat 20 nuggets in a minute?
I would need to eat 20 nuggets every day for probably a week. And I think
that's suitable training.
I think
but wouldn't you just keep ratcheting it up like you would do 10 in a minute? Like, can you do 10 in a minute?
Maybe. I think so.
Oh, definitely you can.
Yeah. But then 20. And also, the further you get, the harder it gets. You get what I mean? Like, the 9th nugget is not going to seem as hard as the 19th nugget.
Will, you can do this.
He's moved on from me. I didn't give him the confidence that he required.
Mo's like, when you consider the nugget. Kirk,
Just break it down.
can you eat 20 nuggets in 1 minute to break the world record? Exactly. Wow. He said it's the easiest world record in the world to beat. At least attempt. It's not like you got to do anything. Like, the nuggets are around the corner.
Right.
And definitely everyone can do 10. Anybody here can do 10 in a blink. Maybe 30. Not. Maybe we suck. Maybe we're going to get the nuggets here and I'm going to be chewing on number 2. And I'm like, what? Look at the clock.
Just choke on live.
Actually, they use water, though. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know.
No, I think if we do it, we can do
I mean,
water.
we could.
No, I don't know, because Mo's giving me the weird feelings.
No, we do it. We do it.
Okay.
I'll get it set.
It's set. Set it and forget it.